My ideal color palette. It smells so good. Hi. Skin whitening on top of makeup. So cute. Hi guys, this is me, Urmi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. First things first, I'm so sorry about the background noise. I don't know if you can hear it right now, but I'm sure in a while you're going to be able to because I'm sitting right beside the balcony. I don't know why today I just felt like sitting in the sun and filming something old-timey for you guys. So I'm not using my camera, I'm using natural light and I'm using my phone to record this. Now that we have that out of the way, I'm sure you can tell by the thumbnail and the title of this video that today we're going to do a huge PR unboxing. It's not huge by influencer terms, it's just huge for me because there are so many brands that I personally love that now send me PR, and I'm so grateful for that. I've received all of these I think over the last month, and I'm going to unbox them with you guys today. Also, I'm sure the light is going to keep changing a bit, so bear with me on that front as well, and let's get into it. First up, I have this box by Prosh Beauty. I haven't really tried anything from them except for their lipsticks. It was one of the top 10 nude bullet lipsticks, and if you haven't seen that video, then I'm gonna link it somewhere here. You should really watch it. Oh, I think we have a bunch of lipsticks here as well. We have 3 of their plush matte lipsticks in the shades High Tea, which is my favorite, Caramel Brunch, and Soiree. They've also sent this little note, and the other 3 are their luxurious matte lipsticks. I'm guessing these are liquid. Yeah, this is what this looks like. Oh my god, the packaging is so beautiful. Okay, these are the 3 shades. This is Insta Sister, this one is Dollish, and this one is Drama Mama. Should I swatch Insta Sister? Let's just do it. That's really comfortable and it's so pretty. Okay, I love the shade. Thank you, Prosh, for sending such a generous lipstick box. Next up, we have something from Benefit. We have the Hoola Desert Retreat. Oh wow, this is the bronzer and blush duo. I'm so excited. I've actually ordered the cute little cloud cutter. I'm gonna put a picture here. But till then, I'm gonna have to use this ugly old thing. But it's okay. I love what it says here. Benefit actually always sends PR. They're really nice, and their team is also very sweet. Oh my god, this is so adorable. It has their Terra blush and the Hoola caramel bronzer. So I used to use the Hoola original, used to as in I still do, but this is the caramel shade. I think it's a lighter shade. I'm so excited to use it. I've never ever used any of their blushes, so I'm very excited to use Terra. Can I swatch it? Wait. Shimmery blush. Wait. Thank you, Benefit. I'm so excited to try the Terra blush. There are kids shouting, yeah, just ignore. Next up, we have the Silk Cushion by Tipsy Beauty. It's those ones, the ones that look like Charlotte Tilbury's wands. So they've sent 4 shades: Bouquet of Roses, Dipped in Gold, Maple Syrup, and Strawberry Champagne. It looks exactly like the Charlotte Tilbury one. You're supposed to open it and then pump it. I'm going to save it for aesthetic reel where the product just oozes out, that one. And if you haven't already, then please follow me on Instagram. This is what my feed looks like. I post a lot of beauty things and snippets of my life. So yeah, I'd love to have you follow me there. But thank you, Tipsy Beauty. Next up, I have Indie Wild. I think this is their lip balm, the new one. It's the Indie Wild Dewy Lip Treatment. They call it the DLT, I think. This is Deepa Khosla. She's the owner of Indie Wild. I actually interviewed her for a story that I wrote. It was not for the lip balm. It was for Moonlight Scalp Serum that she had launched. I'm very excited to try this. I know that Malvika Sitlani is the face of this lip treatment. Let's open it. I hate ghee, okay, but I'm just hoping it doesn't smell like ghee. This is what it looks like. It's cute packaging, I have to say. Okay, yeah, it doesn't smell like anything, thank god. Oh, it's kind of tacky. That's very interesting. Thank you, Indie Wild. Can't wait to try this. Next up, we have this cute little thing by Soul Tree. Feels bad sometimes to open these because they're so beautifully packed. So this has a body wash, face and body mist, and hand and body lotion. It smells nice. It smells like... oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like gazra. Yeah, jasmine. It smells like jasmine. I'm sure Mama is going to love this. I'm going to give this to her. Thank you, Soul Tree. I love the box also, and I love the smell. Then we have makeup kit by Swiss Beauty. It says Makeup Rani on it. Okay, there's a bunch of things. There's a mirror here. Hi. There's an All About Lips palette. I've never really used a lip palette, but I'm excited to try. There's a Makeup Fixer Natural. I have this, so it's always good to have refills and backups of setting sprays. There's a Pop Eye Styliner. I think this is a red eyeliner. Wow. Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base. I think this is a primer. It's a highlighting primer. Then there's a waterproof non-transfer lipstick. Let's see what shade this is. Coral shade? I can't really... This is a very bad swatch, but nice shade. Oh, I've seen this one online. It's their blush. It's like a chubby stick. And lastly, Passport eyeshadow palette. This is very cute actually. Oh, I love the shades. This is, I think, my ideal color palette. Thank you, Swiss Beauty. Also, Mama really loves it when PR packages come in boxes like this, so that these can be reused again. This one is adorable. This is by the Skin Diet Company. It's like a milk carton. I actually have, I think, a face wash and a toner by this brand, and I really like the face wash. This is what it looks like. The other two that I just mentioned, one of them is avocado and one of them is watermelon, if I'm not wrong. Thank you, the Skin Diet Company. I'm gonna do DM Beauty next. Yeah, I'm pretty sure all of them are homegrown brands, and this one also is a homegrown brand. Oh my god, this is so cute. I have gotten a pack of these stickers in a previous PR as well, and it's so pretty. I actually have this sticker on my laptop keyboard on the U key. There's a cute little note. Oh, I think this was supposed to be opened on Christmas because it says this package may cause spontaneous holiday cheer. And in here we have these 3 products. First up is the Cheeky Affair liquid blush. I actually have one of these and it's so nice and pigmented. I hope it's this color because then will be great. Oh no! Okay, it's a brown shade. Not bad, but I was expecting it to be like this color. That's a little deceiving. Cute packaging. I remember these smell like peppermint. No, yeah, they don't smell the best. They don't smell like peppermint. They smell like something Ayurvedic. I've used this before. The lip gloss is nice. The smell is not. And last up, we have the All That Shines. I guess this is a liquid highlighter. Okay, yeah. This is a liquid highlighter. Let's swatch it. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, I can't wait to try that. Thank you, DM Beauty. I think DM Beauty is doing some great things. Then I have this Set Me Up with Type. It's a Type Beauty PR box. So many stickers just fell. I shouldn't have opened it vertically. So there's a hydrating setting spray, brightening setting spray, and a mattifying setting spray. All of them have SPF, which is great. Let me just pick up all the stickers. This one says another day, another sleigh. I'm glad that we matched. You're like just my type. This one's also quite cute. Fun fact, Type Beauty was actually the first PR event that I ever attended as an intern. I was not invited for it. I was interning at it. And later on, when I started working at Elle, I got invited to Too Faced, Charlotte Tilbury, Tipsy Beauty, all of these brands. So yeah, this will always be very special to me, and thank you Type for sending me this box. Okay, I'm very excited for this PR package, I'm not gonna lie. This one is by House of Makeup. This is what we have. Oh, they've sent a purse. That's so cute. I love little things like this. Okay, so they've sent a bunch of things, but I'm most excited for this one. It's their Face Anything Luminous Skin Tint with hyaluronic acid and a bunch of other things. I've heard so many great things about this, and I've also seen on social media how wonderful this is. Oh my god, that blends so easily. I love that they've sent my shade. Okay, then they have a bunch of other things as well. These are their lip and cheek tints. This one is the concealer. They have the Silky Liquid Eyeliner. This is the Oh My Black Kajal. Dawn to Dawn matte lipstick, and a bunch of other things. Like they have 3-4 lipsticks in this. I'm very excited to try that skin tint. I might make a reel on that, so stay tuned. This sunlight is everything. I love filming in sunlight, but it's just so time sensitive that I have to start filming at this time and I have to stop filming at this time. And now you will see in like some time the sun is going to set behind that building right there, but till then enjoy the sun. Let's quickly go through this cute little box from Indulgio. I love boxes that are like this. Like this is a metal tin box, so I can use it for other things afterwards as well. I don't have to throw it away like cardboard boxes. Okay, they have a bunch of things here. It's filled to the top. There's a hair vitalizer. This is the Hermosa body oil. This is a powdered, oh, it says inspired by Namrata Soni. Namrata Soni is the founder of Simply I'm sure you know. Why am I telling you? Under eye patches. This is a toning mist. Mama's gonna love this. Oh, there's another toning mist. Then there is a Cera wash. I'm guessing this is a body wash. Cera Moist. I'm guessing this is a moisturizer. Thank you, Indulgio. I love the box as well. It's so pretty. It's also my favorite shade of pink. Next is this box by The Theory. I've never really used anything from The Theory. This is what it looks like. So this is a moisturizer and these are the 3 things. I'm guessing it's one of those where you pick your 3 concerns and then you add it to the moisturizer. And then the other thing is a barrier repair moisturizer. Love a good barrier repair moisturizer. I'm sure it has like ceramides, peptides, all of those good things. Yeah, it has ceramides, plant cholesterol, essential fatty acids and hyaluronic acid. All good things. Thank you, The Theory. Can't wait to try your products. I also wish brands would either message or they would send a note with like who to contact, because I would really like to thank them for sending these products. Unless like a few that have sent me for a while and have told me that they're sending. Other than that, I don't really know who to thank. Anyway, next up, there's this box by Friday Feeling. Oh my god, this is so cute. I love this thing. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, you can tell. See, it's giving that. Oh my god, that's so cute. Love this. I'm going to use this. So the last time also they sent me these 2 products. This is their Golden Hour sunscreen and the Second Nature sunscreen. One of them I'm guessing is glowing and one is matte. I've not used it yet because I'm still going through my Laneige sunscreen. Along with this, they also have a seriously brightening serum. This is, I guess, a new product. Okay, it doesn't say much on the packaging. Glycolic acid, ascorbic acid, some other things that I don't know. And they also have a few stickers. Last time also they had sent these. I love stickers. So yeah, thank you Friday Feeling for this. I can't wait to try the sunscreen and I will. I was just reminded why I don't film using my phone. My battery is low. I keep getting calls and messages and my storage is also low. So I'm gonna try and wrap things up a little faster. I have this one by Purna Gummies. I haven't really tried any gummies other than Power Gummies a while ago. If you've been subscribed for a while, then you would know that in a beginner's makeup tutorial video, I actually collaborated with them for their hair gummies and I quite liked the hair gummy. Okay, this is the Strawberry Daily Supplement Beauty Wellness Metabolism Maiden of the Tower Biotin for hair, skin and nail. It's called Pretty Woman. Glutathione Builder Skin Whitening Metabolism. So skin whitening is something that I don't really understand, but other than that, okay. Thank you so much, Purna. I'll let you know what I think of this soon. Then we have, hi Mashi. Then we have this box by Foxtail. Here's what they've sent. I have this Super Glow Moisturizer, vitamin C, niacinamide, peptides, all good things. I love a good hydrating moisturizer. I have really dry skin. Thank you Foxtail for sending me so many lovely moisturizers. Recently, La Mior, again a homegrown brand, relatively new brand, also sent me PR. I interviewed their founder as well, so I'm going to link that and the IndieWile in the description box below. So if you want to go read, then you definitely can. They sent me a bunch of different things. This is their peptide glazed lip balm bundle of 3. This is their new launch. These 2 are their adaptive lip tints and this is their liquid eyeshadow. Aqualogica also recently sent huge PR box. I don't have the box now, but I wanted to show you a few of the products that they sent me and wanted to tell you which ones I really love. So this is what they sent me. Haven't really tried their Glow Plus Dewy sunscreen and their Illuminate oil-free moisturizer. I haven't tried these, but I actually really enjoyed this sunscreen. It's so good. Use it on top of makeup to reapply your sunscreen, and as you can see, my makeup, what little I have on, is not budging. It's a really nice sunscreen stick. Another product that I really love from this brand, a few people don't quite like it, but I really like their Radiant Dewy sunscreen. It's such a good sunscreen. This is the watermelon one. I love it. It suits my skin so well, and I feel like if I have a sunscreen that I actually like, then I tend to use it more often, which is always great. Another thing I love are these Radiance Dewy drops. They're so good to apply before makeup. Wait, let me show you just a drop. Yeah, it just absorbs into the skin and gives it such a nice dew. I love it. Moira Beauty also sent me PR. This was not recent, so it's not something I'm unboxing right now. I've had it for a while, but I really wanted to show you this palette. It's called A Moment With You. Packaging is also so beautiful. I was picking 3 random shades. So beautiful. I love a good shimmery palette. It also has mattes, but I love the shimmers in this palette. Yeah, I just swatched them and so stunning. They also sent me this lipstick. They initially sent me their blush, but when it arrived, it came broke. And they were kind enough. They really didn't have to, but they sent me another one, so I can't wait to try this one as well. Okay, lastly, I have this huge package from Barcode Professional. It's a hair care brand. So they asked me what my hair type was. I said it was dry, frizzy, damaged, all of that, which was really considerate. So I have their shampoo, their hair cream, the hair serum, their liquid conditioner, and this huge tub of hair mask. So they also sent me a hair oil, but it leaked in the package, so I couldn't really use it and I couldn't show it to you guys. But thank you so much for this. I can't wait to try it. I love good hair care products that are designed for my hair type. So yeah guys, that was it for today's PR unboxing. I feel like I'm gonna do more of these because I love unboxing PR, and I feel like when I keep them stacked, then it feels like it's my birthday when I open them. And I'm so grateful to all of these brands. I know it's not a small thing, it's a huge thing for them to take the time and effort to send me their products. Some of them of course are for what I do, which is write beauty for Elle magazine, but some of them are also for my Instagram and YouTube, and that makes me so happy that you think that my views are in some way worthy. Also, I have to tell you, this is in no way me boasting about anything. I'm very grateful for all of this. I just wanted to show it with you guys because I like watching PR unboxing videos and I thought you guys would like it too, so that's why I filmed this video. Please don't take it otherwise. So if you did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and please also subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are so close to hitting 10k subscribers, and I'm tired of saying that we're so close to hitting 10k subscribers, so please just make it happen for me. And with that being said, I've managed to film this video before the sun sets. I will see you guys in my next one very soon. Bye bye.